Well, hello.
Hello. Hello, everybody. Welcome to another weekend getaway.
It's not much of a getaway. We did take our camper out to my brother-in-law's house.
Yep, we're at my brother's house, and we're doing a June birthday party. Got
But
our birthdays this month.
We've already planned it out, and we know it's going to air July 4th, so happy 4th of July.
Yeah, happy Independence Day.
Well, happy
Either
Independence Day, either one.
So,
we've already done the All-American apple pie.
yeah, the traditional thing for
well, at least
All-American, yeah.
my daddy's rendition of apple pie.
Rocky Mountain apple pie. We did that last fall, right?
Right. We'll put the link, we'll try and put the link underneath this video.
And in the description. So what we're going to do, we're going to do another apple dish, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to do Mountain Dew Apple Dumplings.
We're going to do two different kinds since I'm diabetic.
Yep, we have a couple diabetes families, people in the family.
We're going to try a littler one that's got diabetic or diet soda in it.
Diet Mountain Dew.
And then we're going to have less sugar. I mean, it'll still have some, but
gotta have some on it.
I'm trying to be good. And
then
it's
we're
a
gonna
trial.
do that's gonna be the 10-inch. Then we're gonna do the 12-inch regular Mountain Dew apple.
We're gonna stack them, but we're not gonna talk a whole lot about stacking. We're just gonna do it.
Yeah, we did that. If you want to know more about stacking, we're gonna show a little bit. We won't get into too much detail. But if
we'll
you look,
put the links for the two that we did at Thousand Hills
a couple weeks ago. So you can look back to that, get more detail on how to.
It's nothing to be scared of. It just takes some practice. So anyhow, well, I think we better get busy, shouldn't we?
Yeah, we're gonna get started, and we'll be right back, set it up, and get ready to make Mountain Dew apple dumplings.
Okay, I'm peeling the apples. Since we're doing 2 Dutch ovens, we're going to have, it takes 4 for the 12 because you cut them in fourths. And we want it done ahead of time, so how we stop our apples from turning brown, apples. Yeah, apples. Yeah. I didn't say potatoes. You should put a little lemon juice in here. Just enough to keep them from turning brown.
And they'll stay several hours in that lemon juice water.
Yeah, as long as you put them in the fridge.
Yeah. And then keep covered up so the air can't get to them.
So, I'm going to peel the rest of these. We'll get back at you in a bit. Okay, I got all my apples done, but I got a slight problem. My apples are not totally submerged in the water. So I'm going to put, we're going to have to add a little water to it too, huh? I think. Or are we? Nope, we got it. That way they can stay in that lemon juice water.
Okay, we're getting ready to start making our Mountain Dew apple dumplings.
Now we got this recipe from friends of ours that she's
lid up. We're gonna wait till we get that one done.
She's on, if I can find the right end, there we go. She's doing something with Weight Watchers, wasn't she? She come up with this and we kind of expanded on it. She used diet soda, so that's why we're making one that's diet, one that's regular.
So we're starting with crescent roll, whatever you call it. And each one of these cans, I think, has 8 rolls, right?
Yep, they do.
So we took the apples and we quartered them. So each apple, a quarter is going to go in each one of the.
Find the end. Here, you need
rolls.
those.
So we're going to open the apples up. They've been sitting in this water along with the
lemon juice,
so they don't turn bad. Okay, so lay it out there, and then we're gonna fold it over. They don't have to be completely wrapped tight, but just enough to.
There's 2 there.
Okay, so now we got them rolled up, and like I said, they don't have to be totally. Now in this Dutch oven, we got melted butter, salted butter, and this one we've got 1 cup of sugar mixed with 2 teaspoons of cinnamon.
Right.
So now we'll take this drop it in the butter. Nice and messy job. I'm going to pull this Dutch oven over here a little closer so maybe it don't dribble everywhere. Then you roll it in the cinnamon sugar. Nice and heavily coated. Gives it a lot of good flavor, a lot of extra cinnamon sugar. And then it goes directly in 12-inch Dutch oven.
This works best if you do it assembly line.
Yeah. So, into the butter. Back in cinnamon and sugar. Roll it good.
I'm gonna put the lid on this.
Alrighty.
Oh,
Hand it to me. Here's your 10-inch for your more diet version.
Okay.
This is going to be a little bit different, isn't it?
Yeah, we're not gonna put as much sugar on this. I gotta find the right end to start here.
And diet Mountain Dew instead of the full sugar version. I'm going to run around in the sun and see if your butter's melted enough yet.
Okay. We're gonna do these a little different than we did Wade's batch that he's gonna do. And I'm gonna dip them in the butter here in a minute as soon as it's defrosted or melted. And then we're going to sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on there. We're not gonna dip them in the cinnamon sugar. Can you go check my butter, huh?
It'll be melted, but it's probably soft enough.
Okay.
It'll be alright. What do you think?
Well, we'll make do.
It'll work?
Yeah, we'll make do. See, the part we didn't put on what Wade had earlier is the leftover butter you dump on top of everything.
Along with any leftover cinnamon sugar.
That's right. I don't know, I may need to get them closer together. Maybe not. Maybe just a smidge more together. Okay, now wipe my fingers, get all the butter off. We got just enough cinnamon sugar here. I'm just gonna sprinkle some on top.
Now, we never tried it, but you probably could use Splenda. I don't know if it would work as good. It wouldn't caramelize on top,
well,
but
Splenda, when it stays liquefied once it gets wet.
But it would still work if you really wanted to cut down on the sugar, I think.
Well, we're cutting down on the sugar by cutting down on the sugar.
Remember,
And
don't pour it all in. Okay.
And I was just getting ready to say that, dear. Wade just won his batch, which is a full 12-inch Dutch oven. He put a full soda in there. I'm only gonna put half, and then I'm gonna drink the rest of this. Once again, you don't want to get your cinnamon sugar off. Oh, not about half. Now they're ready to bake, dear.
All right. I'll get the charcoal going.
Alrighty.
All right. Looks like the charcoal's ready. Time to get these dumplings cooking. So I'm going to put them around here first.
And again, if they wanted more explanation on how to stack, they can go to the link below, right? For the next for the last 2 videos.
We did them on, we went to Thousand Hills.
That's right.
Now, we're doing our 10-inch on top, and we're going to do our normal 8 under the bottom of our 10-inch. A little bit of a pain to get under here because you got that lip of that 12-inch kind of in the way. So, head and get this done and probably try a 10-minute rotate.
Try it. We're going to do it now, aren't we?
Pretty much. I think we did about 43 pieces this time instead of 45 when we did it up at Thousand Hills. So just a little bit less.
Well, what we were cooking there was a little denser too.
Yeah.
And apples.
Take a little while to get done.
Yeah,
even the Granny Smith, which is what we use today, which is a good baking apple. They'll get done and get crispy, I mean soft inside, but not stay tough. So, okay, we're good. 10 minutes, we'll come back and do a rotate. Our first 10 minutes is up, and we're gonna rotate. Take the top Dutch oven, move it out of the way for a minute. We'll do our standard 1/3 turn rotate on the bottom. Same way with the lid. 1/3 of a turn back to the right. Now we pick our top Dutch oven, 1/3 of a turn, and the lid, 1/3 of a turn in the opposite direction. 10 more minutes, we'll be back. Okay, it's been, what, about 30 minutes, right, Angel?
Yep.
We're going to check the top Dutch oven first and see if it's done.
Oh,
Looking
let's
good.
see here.
Stick it with a fork.
Yep, they're done.
That one's done. Beautiful. All right, let me get this out of the way, hon. And we'll check the 12-inch.
Anybody that don't believe we don't need more heat than that's wrong. Look at how brown that is.
Apple done.
Yeah, they're done.
All righty.
The apples are done. They're not taters.
We keep saying that potato for some reason today.
Yeah, we do.
But anyway, so there we go. These should be done. We're going to let them cool a little bit, and then we'll show you how we serve them up.
Yep. Well,
okay.
I think it's time to taste test.
Time to taste test it.
Eric, look in there.
There's the diet friendly, and there's the full-fledged richness. So, we can get a spoon, get some dipped out of here. One there. Get one over here. There we go. And there's no better way than gotta have with.
Oh, you get to have it with ice cream.
No, you're not gonna have ice cream on yours.
Nope, I'm not gonna have ice cream on mine.
We'll have ice cream on mine now. A little bit more ice cream.
Mm. That's
good?
good with the diet.
My turn.
It's good.
So, next time when you're out and wanna try something pretty fast, pretty easy.
That's appley.
Appley, yep. Good and rich. You can
Try
have
these
this
Mountain Dew apple dumplings.
Apple dumplings. So, thanks for watching our
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for watching.
and we'll see you next week. Oh, and this is gonna,
Happy 4th of July!
yeah, and on 4th of July, so we hope you enjoy it. Happy 4th of July. And here we are feeding the chickens the leftover apple peelings.